Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to sign up for KakaoTalk. First, locate the official KakaoTalk application in your device's App Store. Search for KakaoTalk and select the app developed by Kakao Corporation. Tap the Download or Install button and wait for the application to finish downloading to your smartphone. This initial step is crucial for beginning your communication journey with friends and family. Once the app is installed, open it to begin the setup process. You will see prompts asking you to agree to several terms and conditions. Make sure to read and accept these to proceed. Then, tap on the Sign Up button, which is typically located at the bottom of the screen. This action will take you to the next stage, where you will start inputting your personal details to create your unique account. Next, you will need to enter your phone number to verify your account. Make sure to select the correct country code before typing your full phone number into the provided box. KakaoTalk will then send a short message service, or SMS, containing a unique 6-digit verification code to that number. Enter this code into the app when prompted to complete the verification step, linking your account securely to your phone. Now you can personalize your new KakaoTalk profile. Begin by entering your desired display name, which is how others will identify you within the app. Next, you can upload a profile picture from your phone's gallery or take a new one directly. While optional, adding a clear photo helps friends recognize you quickly. You may also choose to enter your birthday and gender if you wish, completing your profile setup for a more personal touch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.